Hello, this is Van Willard with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be talking about the NXT22 Mastercraft. Okay, we're inside the NXT22 now, and what we have is a large sun deck here. And basically with the sun deck and the U-shaped seating, you've got a tremendous amount of seating area for your friends and passengers. All our boats come with the tower and the speakers here for great sound. Okay, here we have storage where you can put your boards, and you also can put additional items in this area here. And also with your board racks, you've got storage here in the top here that gives you storage for your board racks. We have full instrumentation, and of course we have the tilt wheel. We have Surf Star system, which we can explain whenever you come in. Up front here is our bow area, which is set up for comfortable seating for 2 people. Again, this is Van Willard with MarineMax in Lewisville, and if you will, give me a call and we'll be very happy to show you all our Mastercrafts we have in stock.